Hello, dear gentlemen. Have you ever wondered why, as you get older, your sexual health declines so quickly, even though you are still trying to take care of yourself every day? And would you believe me if I told you that with just a few minutes each day, you can completely restore your ability to achieve erections, awaken your masculine strength, and regain your confidence in intimacy? Without medication, without hospital visits, and without spending on complicated and expensive methods out there? I know at first this may sound hard to believe because most men after the age of 60 think that declining sexual health is just a natural part of aging. But in reality, the cause is not only aging, but also blocked blood flow and chronic inflammation in areas that we often neglect in our daily care. According to data from the National Institute on Aging, up to 60% of men over the age of 65 experience reduced blood flow and gradually lose sensation in sensitive areas. The concerning thing is, only 20% of them seek medical help. This means that many men are silently suffering, while there is still a natural and safe method that you can completely do at home. That's why today, I will share with you a simple way, using only castor oil combined with gentle massage at 3 important points on the body. This method will help clear blood flow, reduce inflammation, activate nerves, and gradually restore natural erectile function, while also increasing sensation and intimacy in your married life. Especially, the first massage point that I am about to reveal is often overlooked by many men, but it is actually the central switch that determines masculine strength. If taken care of properly, you will be surprised at the clear change it brings. So, watch carefully so you don't miss this special part. Oh, before we start, I want to get to know you a little bit. Where in the world are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. I would be very happy to know who I am accompanying today. Now, let's explore the first massage point, the foundation that helps awaken powerful blood flow and revive masculine strength that you thought was lost over time. In the male body, there is a very small area, but it plays a crucial role in sexual health. That is the perineum, also known as the pelvic floor. This is the area between the testicles and the anus, where many men usually don't pay much attention, but in reality, it is the intersection point of blood vessels, nerves, and pelvic floor muscles. Imagine this: when blood flows to the penis, it must pass through this area like a central pump station in a water system. Not only that, the perineum also contains key nerves that transmit signals from the brain to the genital area, determining erectile ability, pleasure, and sexual reflexes. When you are young, this pump station works powerfully and steadily. Blood flows smoothly, and nerve signals are clear. But over time, especially after the age of 60, chronic inflammation, blockages, and weakened blood vessels begin to appear. The results are, blood cannot flow to the penis fully and strongly. Nerves become weakened, making sensations no longer as clear as before. Achieving or maintaining erections becomes difficult and unstable. Unfortunately, most men ignore this area in their daily healthcare. Over the years, inflammation and blockages silently build up, making sexual problems more serious without them even knowing. The good news is, you can improve this condition with a natural and safe method: gentle massage with castor oil. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a type of fatty acid that can reduce deep inflammation in soft tissue, soothe and protect sensitive nerves, promote blood vessel dilation, helping blood flow to the genital area become stronger and more stable. Just massage the perineum every night for 30-60 seconds. You will clear blood circulation in this area, reduce swelling, and increase the the perineum, elasticity of soft tissue. Awaken the nervous system, like recharging a machine that has been sluggish for a long time. Think of the perineum as the main pump. If this pump is weak or blocked, no matter how good the pipes are, the whole system cannot work effectively. And to achieve better results, you need to also take care of the main pipeline, where blood is transported from the heart to the genital area. Let's explore this massage point in detail in the next section. My dear friend, if you are still watching this video at this point, I am truly grateful that you have taken the time to care about your health. Please leave the number 1 below in the comments so I know you are still with me. Second massage point, groin, the main pipeline, carrying blood to the genital area. If the perineum is the central pump, then the groin, or the crease between the thigh and the lower torso, is the main pipeline that carries blood from the heart to nourish the genital area. This area is where the thigh meets the lower body, and it does not only contain muscles and soft tissue, but also includes major blood vessels, important nerves, and a lymph node system that helps filter out toxins. Every time the heart pumps blood, it must pass through the groin before reaching the penis. If this area is blocked or compressed, the amount of blood flowing through will drop significantly, preventing the penis from receiving enough blood to maintain an erection. This explains why many men, even with overall stable health, still face difficulties in intimacy. Some common causes of blockage or poor circulation in the groin area: accumulated belly and thigh fat, creating pressure on blood vessels; chronic inflammation and arteriosclerosis, causing narrowing of the blood vessel walls; poor lymph node function, leading to toxin buildup and prolonged inflammation. The lymph nodes in the groin act as the body's natural filter. When they work efficiently, toxins are removed, blood circulation and the immune system remain healthy. But if they become sluggish, toxins accumulate, causing inflammation, swelling, and obstructed blood flow, directly affecting male sexual health. To fix this problem, massage the groin with castor oil daily. Castor oil helps reduce inflammation, relax the muscles and blood vessel walls, and stimulate lymphatic activity, thereby helping to remove toxins. With regular massage, the groin will become softer and more flexible, allowing oxygen-rich blood to flow easily to the genital area. As a result, erectile ability not only improves, but also becomes stable and lasting over time. Think of it simply like this: the perineum creates the push, and the groin is the pipeline. If you only focus on the pump and forget to clear the pipeline, blood still cannot reach its destination. When you care for both points together, the body will function harmoniously, bringing natural and clear results. However, for complete recovery, there is still one final important point that many men often overlook. This is the intermediate control station, where blood flow and nerve signals are connected before reaching the genital area. In the next part, we will explore this special area in detail. Third massage point, lower abdomen, the intermediate control station of blood and nerves. After understanding the importance of the perineum and groin, there is still another area that many men often ignore. But it is the missing piece needed to complete sexual health. That is the lower abdomen. This area is located just above the penis, extending from below the navel to the pubic bone. At first glance, many people think it only contains fat or soft tissue. But in reality, this area contains key artery branches, important genital nerves, and the front part of the pelvic floor muscles, acting as a control station. This is where blood and nerve signals are prepared and regulated before being sent to the genital area. When the lower abdomen is healthy and clear, blood will circulate strongly, nerve signals will transmit clearly, helping maintain stable erections and natural pleasure. But if this area accumulates fat or suffers from chronic inflammation, a series of problems will gradually appear. Blood gets compressed, reducing the amount of blood flowing to the penis, making it difficult to achieve and maintain erections. Nerves become disrupted, reflexes and sensations are no longer sharp as before. Pelvic floor muscles weaken, reducing their ability to support and maintain erections. The concerning thing is that most men do not take care of this area, allowing blockages to silently build up over many years, gradually affecting sexual health. The good news is you can improve this condition with a simple habit: massaging the lower abdomen with castor oil daily. Castor oil reduces inflammation and increases the elasticity of blood vessel walls, helping blood to flow more strongly. It relieves pressure caused by belly fat, reducing compression on blood vessels and nerves. It stimulates the pelvic floor muscles, helping to maintain natural erectile ability and improve the overall strength of the reproductive system. You can imagine the lower abdomen as the final transfer station before blood and nerve signals reach the genital area. If this station does not function smoothly, no matter how strong the pump and pipeline are, the results will still be limited. When you care for all 3 points, perineum, groin, and lower abdomen, the body will function in harmony and efficiently, bringing comprehensive and lasting recovery. And to help you easily apply this at home, I will guide you step by step on the detailed massage process, along with important safety principles, ensuring effectiveness and avoiding unwanted risks. If you are still watching up to this point, thank you for listening patiently. I truly appreciate it. Please leave the number 3 inches in the comments so I know I am not sharing alone. Part 2. Massage Guide and Safety Principles. Now, you already know the 3 important massage points and how they help improve blood circulation, reduce inflammation, and enhance sexual health. The next step is to practice the correct technique to achieve maximum effectiveness while ensuring absolute safety. Choosing high-quality castor oil. Choose cold-pressed, pure oil without impurities or harmful chemicals like hexane. The skin in these 3 areas is very sensitive, and using low-quality oil can cause itching, redness, inflammation, or irritation. Testing skin reaction before use. Place 1 drop of oil on the skin of your arm and wait for 24 hours. If there is no allergic reaction, you can safely use it on more sensitive areas. Preparation before massage. Clean and dry the skin area to be massaged. Take 1/4 teaspoon of oil, warm it between your hands before applying. Specific massage procedure. Step 1. Perineum. Apply oil to the area between the testicles and anus. Gently massage in a circular motion for 30-60 seconds. Use moderate pressure. Avoid pressing too hard to prevent pain or injury. Step 2. Groin. Apply oil to both sides of the crease between the thighs and abdomen. Massage from the outside inward, 60-90 seconds on each side. You will feel the muscles and soft tissues relaxing, reducing tension. Step 3. Lower abdomen. Apply oil from below the navel to just above the pubic bone. Massage gently in circular motions for 90 seconds. Feel the warmth spreading, stimulating circulation and awakening this area. Important notes: this method is for external use only. Absolutely do not ingest or apply internally. Avoid contact with the head of the penis, the urethra, or inside the anus. Castor oil can reduce the durability of latex condoms, so wash thoroughly before intercourse or use a non-latex condom. Frequency. Start with once a day, preferably in the evening. After 2-4 weeks, if the skin adapts well, you can increase to twice a day. Be consistent, as most men will notice significant improvement after 3-4 weeks. In the next section, I will share situations where you need to be cautious and consult a doctor before starting to ensure this method is suitable and safe for your health condition. Part 3. When to consult a doctor. Although massaging with castor oil at 3 important points is a natural and fairly safe method, it does not mean everyone can start immediately without consideration. As a male health specialist, I always remind my patients that sexual health care requires caution, and before starting any routine, you need to understand your body's condition. If you are facing any of the following issues, consult your doctor before beginning. Prolonged erectile dysfunction. Frequently having difficulty achieving or maintaining an erection. A history of heart disease, diabetes, or prostate-related problems. Extremely sensitive skin that easily reacts with irritation or allergies. A general medical checkup will help identify the root cause and ensure that there are no hidden conditions that may cause danger or reduce the effectiveness of this massage method. Additionally, if you notice the following signs, pay special attention: persistent fatigue, even with adequate rest, rapid muscle loss in a short period of time, sudden decrease in sexual desire. These could be signs of hormonal imbalance, especially low testosterone. In these cases, you should have your hormone levels checked and undergo specialized tests. Combining medical treatment with natural massage will produce more comprehensive and safer results. Remember, natural methods like massage cannot completely replace professional consultation and treatment. The combination of home care and medical supervision is the key to achieving optimal results and maintaining long-term health. My dear friend, we have gone through a complete journey. From understanding the causes of sexual health decline to learning how to practice massage at home. Now, you know that declining performance does not only come from aging, but also from blocked blood circulation, chronic inflammation, weakened nerves, and pelvic floor muscles, factors that most men have overlooked for many years. The massage method using castor oil at the 3 golden points, perineum, groin, and lower abdomen is a natural, safe, and non-invasive solution that brings clear benefits. Reduce inflammation and remove congestion that blocks blood flow. Activate the nervous system, improve reflexes, and enhance sensation. Increase blood flow to the genital area, resulting in stronger and longer-lasting erections. Strengthen pelvic floor muscles, helping maintain confidence and performance. With just a few minutes each day, you can gradually restore health and energy while rediscovering the intimate connection you thought was lost over time. This is not only a journey to improve your sexual life, but also a process to regain confidence and self-worth. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss other scientific insights and natural methods to care for men's health. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. I wish you good health, abundant vitality, and happiness with your loved ones. Start today and take back your strength and performance step by step.